So 2 days ago, YouTube just went down for about an hour, and I still haven't seen the official reason yet. So I'm a little bit worried as to what happened there. But while I wasn't able to go through any videos or access anything, I realized, oh my gosh, like I have like 8,500 subscribers and they can't get access to me either because we're all depending on YouTube and Google, its parent company, to make sure we can all keep communicating with each other. And I realized that's really bad. That puts me in a very vulnerable position that if something were to happen to YouTube or just my channel or just whatever happens, right? An asteroid hits the Earth, I mean, we'll probably have bigger problems if that happens. We're just basically one technical issue away from not being able to communicate and me not being able to get these videos out to you guys. So it's very, very important if you enjoy these videos, if you stay motivated and educated by the videos that I release here on my channel every single week, to join my mailing list. I put the link in the description below. Please sign up for my mailing list. That is the way that if something happens to this channel, something happens to YouTube, who knows, I will always be able to email you and let you know immediately, hey, I've moved to a different platform or I'm hosting my videos on a different place. Speaking of, if those of you are social media whizzes and you're kind of ahead of the curve a little bit in terms of some of these new, they call them like alt tech websites that are popping up, like alternatives to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all that kind of stuff. If you know of a great video hosting platform where you can upload, your HD videos and put them all in one place, and it's a stable platform that's been around for a while and it shows a lot of growth, leave it in the comment below. I'm looking for a secondary place to post a lot of my videos to have as that backup just in case something happens here on YouTube. I like to have sort of prepared escape hatches just in case something happens here. I don't want to be completely dependent upon YouTube to be able to communicate with you guys. So make sure you join that mailing list. What you're going to do when you click on that link is you're actually going to be signing up for a free 5-day course. Now, if you've already signed up for the course and you've already gone through those, then you don't need to join the mailing list. You're already on my mailing list. But if you're new to the channel, welcome, by the way. And if you haven't gone through my 5-day course, you're going to get so much information about how the licensing business works. And I go into much further detail than even I do here on my channel. So it's content that you really don't want to miss out on anyways. If you don't want to watch the videos, fine, don't even watch them. But at least put your email in there so that if something ever were to happen here, we can still stay in contact and I can still reach out to you guys and let you know where you can find my new videos. Because I plan on, whether it's YouTube or some other platform, I plan on keeping these videos up on a weekly basis. I love the pace that I'm going at now. I'm doing 2 videos a week. I've been doing that for basically a year and a half, maybe almost 2 years now. And it's a doable pace. It's something that I can keep up with, and it's something I can see myself doing for a long time in the future. So if you're valuing what I'm doing here and you want to keep this content coming, get on that mailing list just to make sure we don't ever lose contact, okay? So I can reach out to you and let you know if something were to happen to this channel. So let's be safe, let's be smart, and make sure we can continue this awesome channel going wherever it happens to land up.